Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the various parts of the Unity editor that are useful to us as we build our game in Unity. Unity editor have many tools for rapid editing and iteration in your development process with real-time previews of your work. So at the bottom we see project window. We put here everything that is in our game, so all our script skin and sprite is all here. So by default, skins are created automatically, and I already created folder scripts and sprites. Inside the script folder we have already one script. In the left side we see hierarchy window. That window holds everything that's in the current skin, and by default we get main camera in our 2D skin. And we have also game view. The game view window shows us what exactly the game will look like when a player plays it. And we may switch it to the skin view. And skin view is actually shows everything that's now current skin, and we don't have anything in the skin except the camera. So once we start adding things, we will see them in our skin. At the right side we have Inspector. Inspector contains information about the current selected game object that choose from hierarchy window. Let's say we can choose main camera. So we see here transform component, and we have a camera component, and also we can see here our script that we attached before. And so Inspector lets us look at and even modify characteristic of the game object in the skin. And also we have console window. As we already used the console window for providing output when we call the print method from our script. In general we may not use much of this console. We may use it if our games have some problem. And we can see the error message from this console. And also at the top we have menu bar. There is a lot of options, including help. In general we will not use much of this main menu. Now I wanna talk about sprites. Sprites are simple 2D game objects that have graphical image. If I want to add sprite, I can just drag it inside any folder that we can create. To use sprites, we need to drag our sprite inside hierarchy window. And now we see in our skin our sprite. So now our sprite became game object when we put inside the hierarchy window. We also can attach here components or add our script inside this game object. And that's all for this video. And in the next video we'll look at the Unity component system. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.